Welcome back to Palmhawks Foundation Elite Schools, and in this day we are going to be talking about introduction to presentations. Introduction to presentation. So we are going to have that this is application software used to create presentations. It is an application software that is used to create presentations which can communicate ideas and other information to a group of audience. The presentation can be viewed as a slide show which usually displays on a large monitor or projected screen. Some presentations software can convert an existing slide show into a format that can be accessed on the web. So that is a presentation, meaning that the features or the basic things that you can easily understand that I'm dealing with the presentation software is that it can create a slide show here, can create a slide show, and it can also it can display on large monitor or projected screens. So, and sometimes it has some saving features whereby you can save or convert information into that can be viewed over the web. So, or can be accessed over the web. So that is a quick introduction to PowerPoint presentation or to presentation software. So let us see the file extension for a presentation file. And the file extension for a presentation file is .ppt. PPT is PowerPoint or .ppt extended. So this is the current version of PowerPoint, and this is the traditional version of PowerPoint. So let's continue. Examples of popular electronic presentation softwares. Examples of popular electronic presentation softwares. We have Microsoft PowerPoint, we have Corel presentations, we have Lotus Freeless Graphics, Microsoft Producer, OpenOffice presentation, etc. So these are some of the popular electronic presentations or software applications or software presentation that can be used, or they can help us in creating these slideshows. So let us see the applications of presentation software. Where do we apply presentation software? So one of the areas where we apply presentation software, one is presenting learning materials to students in schools. Presenting learning materials to students in schools. In bracket, meaning that I can use the presentation software to project information as I'm teaching the children or the students. Presenting speeches and minutes in meeting. So you project your presentation to the audience using this presentation software. Then used in training sessions also for presentations. Then used in presenting campaign manifestos. So these are the areas where we normally do apply our presentation software. Let's continue. Then they are also used in presenting campaign manifestos, used in conference seminars, used in sales promotion to market products, used in business shows, mobile kiosks and clinics. So let's continue. Principles of a good presentation. What are these conditions, or what are the major principles, or what are those steps you must follow to create a good presentation? Let us see. When preparing a presentation, you must consider the following principles. This improves the quality of your presentation, makes it more effective and enjoyable, and in the long run saves your time and effort. So these presentation principles, that is how they are good, and that is how they produce. If you follow them, they enable you to produce a good presentation. So let us see. They are saying that simplicity of presentation, simplicity of application. The best slide is usually simple, easy, and to the point. Meaning that the presentation, your slide should be very simple, easy, and it should easily enable the viewer to the point. The audience may need more time to understand complicated slides, while time is always limited during presentations. Know the audience and and their expectations in order to give the right message to the right people. E.g., are they children, matures, or mixture? Are they clients or seniors of the organization? Relevance of the content. Relevance of the content. Ensure that the content of your slides is relevant to the topic of discussion in order to capture the attention of the audience. Use images. Use images. We are on this point. Point number 4. Use images. Graphics. They are saying that graphics and diagrams. Slides are visual aid to help you explain complex ideas in an easy way. Use of images, graphics, and diagrams. So we are saying that slides are visual aids. Slides are visual aid to help you explain complex ideas in an easy way. Therefore, use the right and relevant images, graphics, and charts to represent your ideas visually. Okay. Let us continue and see what's next. Let us continue and see what's next. Let's continue and see what's next. So another principle we are having is that make the right choice of colors, font styles, font sizes, transitions, animations, links which suit the viewers, meaning that you shouldn't apply a lot of things which will not be good to the eyes of the viewer or to the listeners or to the audience. So let's continue. Advantages of presentation software. Advantages of presentation software. Presentation software usually provides a wide variety of presentation formats and layouts for the slides, meaning that it gives me different options that I can choose in how I want to lay out my slides. So we are going to be seeing how these ones are applied practically. So let's go to number 2, the advantage number 2. Multimedia components such as clip art images, video clips, and audio clips can be incorporated to slides, meaning that I can bring my graphics, that is multimedia components such as clip art images. I can apply my images, I can apply my video clips, and audio clips can be incorporated into slides. The timing of the slides can be set so that the presentation automatically displays the next slide after predetermining period of time. After a predetermined period of time, meaning that I can run my slides automatically. Special transition effects can be applied between each slide. Special transition effects can be applied between each slide, meaning that I can rotate one, and then after I have rotated one, I can also rotate another one, and in that format I am applying different effects with a different timing on different slides. So the presentation can normally be viewed and printed in different formats. This presentation that you have done can also be printed or viewed in different formats. So features of electronic presentation software. Features of electronic presentation software. So let us go to the features and see what are these features. So feature number one, presentation. This is a PowerPoint file made up of a series of slides, audience, handouts, speakers' notes, and outline, among others. Then we have another feature number 2, slide is an individual page of a presentation. Then number 3, a slide master. Is the top slide in a hierarchy of slides that stores information about the theme and slide layouts of a presentation, including the background color, fonts, effects, placeholder sizes, and position. Another feature, a PowerPoint template. This contains layouts, theme colors, theme fonts, theme effects, background styles, and even content itself. Then we have another feature called animation. Feature number 5, animation refers to special effects for introducing text in a slide during a slideshow. Refers to special effects for introducing text in a slide during a slide show, that is animation. Then another feature called placeholder, feature number 6 here. So we are saying that placeholders are the containers in layouts that hold such content as text, including the body text, bulleted lists and titles, tables, charts, smart art graphics, movies, sounds, pictures, and clip art. Then we are having what we call transition effects. Transition effects. So what are the transition effects as our feature number 7? This refers to different styles in which slides come and leave the screen during a presentation. The movements, how slides move, So let's continue. Then we are having that they are saying that transition effects. This refers to different styles in which slides come and leave the screen during a presentation. Slide transition is a special effect for introducing an entire slide during a slideshow. Number eight, feature number 8, graphics. A general term used to mean pictures, images, charts, photos, tables, etc. that you can add to a presentation. That is graphics, as how we have been doing them or how we are going to be doing them in the future examples. So let's continue. We are having clip art. So in clip art here, a general term for a library of pictures in the computer. A general term for a library of pictures in the computer. Presenters notes. These contain ideas you want to discuss for each slide in your presentation. Then we're having also action buttons, are ready-made buttons that can be inserted into your presentation. These enable you to perform actions upon clicking or moving mouse over them. Let's continue. The other ones. Auto content wizard. Auto content here. Feature number 11. This is a presentation wizard that contains data from which one can select and edit to create a personalized or customized presentation. Then we are having 12, slide layout. Slide layout contains formatting, positioning, and placeholders for all the content that appears on a slide. Layout contains the theme, colors, that is the colors, fonts, effects, and background of a slide. So if we continue, we have what we call a master layout. So we are going to say that master layout is a term applied to a presentation's overall design, meaning that this one is the overall design of the whole presentation, because it is even saying that it is a master layout. So let's continue. Timing as our point number 13. Timing is a technique by which slides or text appearing on the screen during a presentation, i.e. on mouse click or automatically after defined period, meaning that this is how or at what time will one slide appear and another one move or go. So in that, those are the features. So let's see PowerPoint basics. PowerPoint is an application for creating presentations that can be output as 35mm slides. So that is how they can be, the size in which they can be created. So it's an application for creating presentation that can be output as 35mm slides. Paper overheads directly from the computer monitor or printed as handouts or speaker notes. So PowerPoint views. Let's go for PowerPoint views. So in this, we have what we call a normal view. So let's see, what is a normal view? Is a tri-pane window that appears the text outline of the entire presentation on the left, the current slide on the upper right, and the speaker's notes on the lower right. This is the default PowerPoint view. So the moment you open up that presentation software, the first view of the slides, that is what we call a normal view. Then we are having what? Outline view. Outline view. This enables, this enables, this enables this enables one to edit and display all presentation text in one location instead of one slide at a time. It appears without the objects or images in the slide. Then we have slide view. Slide view shows a graphic view, of the current slide for editing and viewing. Then slide sorter view. This displays the entire presentation so that one can add, delete, and move slides. Then notes page provides a large area to view or type speakers' notes on a slide. Then we have a slideshow is a collection of slides moving in a different sequence at a present timing that one can control and change with special effects. So that is PowerPoint views. PowerPoint views. So now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for sharing, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Continue to subscribe, continue to like, continue to call other people to watch these videos for them, for us to make computing easier. Let us make computing easier. I'm still your friend, Ahebwa Martin. Bye. Bye for now.